this FX Spiders, and after speaking. So today I'm going to show you my number one recommended strategy. Okay, so with that being said, let's begin. So I'll zoom out chart to see clearly, that which means go to a higher time frame of 1 day. It's the highest. You see this currency pair, US, Euro, USD. So I just took it to a 1 day. So zoom out to see clearly. After doing that, you watch closely. First, identify your trend. It is identify your trend. Well, it is an uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend. We're connecting all those highs, all those lower highs. I'm going to box the lower highs so you can see clearly. You can know what I'm talking about. So you can know what I'm talking about. This is actually a lower high touching that line I just drew, and this is another one almost touched. Let me take it there. This is another one, the which almost touched. So it's because just if I push it a little, it will be there already. Okay, that's another touch. And sorry, let's set this. And these all touches, these and this. So that's how that's let me delete all. That's just how to identify a trend. Okay, so I'm going to turn my trend line. Okay, let's do this now. So zoom out chart to see clearly. I've zoomed out and I've identified the trend. So now I am going to look for a significant levels. So looking for a significant level is a level like it's whereby a support became a resistance, and then a support or a resistance became a like that. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, you guys know what I'm talking about. This is just it, and I'll explain. This zone I drew, okay, a support or a resistance, it's not just a line. Some people draw a support line like this, a horizontal line, and just put it somewhere here because it's supporting. But no, it's not just a line, it's actually a zone, a region, a zone. Yes, so watch it touch here, acting as a resistance. It touches here, acting as a resistance, here as a support, here as a support. This was where it actually broke. It broke out here, and that's how it's going. You understand? So just know all these things. Know all these things. You need to master it. The best thing is to master your strategy. Master it. So it touches here. Okay. And for those that are just coming in and doesn't know, don't know a lot about this, a support is it's actually a zone supporting the market upward, pushing it up, pushing it back up. Saying no, this is not where you're supposed to be. Go back there, pushing it. So this is what happened here. This box I just drew below, it's pushing. It's not a box or a rectangle. Sure. This zone, the support zone, it's pushing the market up. Saying you go up. It came back again, hit, and it's push it. It came back again, hit, and it push it. You know what I'm talking about? It hits the market. The support pushed the market here. It did again. It pushed it up, and it came here and it's pushed it, and finally it's gone, and then broke the resistance there. Broke resistance here. So back to the strategy. I'm not here to preach about support and resistance actually. So a significant level. So actually, I'm seeing many significant levels here. So we are going to actually highlight all of them. Look at this. Several touches here. As you can see, several touches here, and also a touch here. So it was acting as a resistance here and now a support. This was where it actually broke through. So on the second significant level is this place actually. Okay, I've already explained this. And our major support here. Alright, watch now. Let me draw my trend line and show you what I'm talking about. Alright. Okay, watch. Zoom out chart to see clearly. I did that. Identify the significant area. I just did it. And next, adjust accuracy. Adjust analysis for better accuracy. So okay. Let me adjust this a little bit. Take it down. No, it's okay here. I think we're on a good place to go. It's all good. So okay, now wait for the setups. We just wait for the setup. This is what we are actually waiting for. Watch now. Using a price action, okay? Using price action. My trend line is already there. As you can see, I do my trend line. My trend line is there, waiting for the market to break out. But no, this is not. It won't actually break my trend because watch where it started from. It started from here. It started from here, went up, went down, which in an uptrend, the downward channel is called a corrective, and in the downtrend, the upward channel is called a corrective. So the market move up, corrected, move up, corrected, move up, corrected, move up, corrected. It's actually pulling down right now. It's going. It looks like a downtrend because it's having lower lows. Then finally, it took a trend. It's a trend reversal because look, it went. All of a sudden, it just went up and finally broke. Finally broke through, and that's how it was going. And so it's an uptrend. So what we are trading now, it's a trend continuation. So we'll take it to a lower time frame to see more opportunities, like what are we leaving behind, what exactly are we leaving behind. So these are 4 hours, next to the closest to a daily time frame. So I've spotted a significant level, which is here. This is a perfect one because the market is actually around here. It is a relevant area because all the rest here, they're all in the past. They're not relevant, but to help you to know what the market was actually doing. So my major resistance should be there. Let's see. So we're actually waiting for something I called right now what the market is trying to do. It's just finished from a head and shoulder pattern. I know you'll be asking what's a head and shoulder pattern, but this is not a trading view, so I wouldn't be able to show you clearly, but as time goes on, I'll definitely show you something. So this is what happened here. I don't think there are any opportunities here. Okay, let's just do this. That's a flow. This is what I'll do. I'll give it a trend line. And wait for it. Just wait for it to break. So this is what we actually do. Let me show you now after, because the movement of this the market now, it's actually in let me show you something. This is a flow. It's not zooming out. Okay, this is a trend, right? Let me take it to a daily time frame so I could draw it well. I always sketch a trend, so I just sketched this trend right now. Watch with these 2 lines. I just sketched the trend. So any other thing else inside and a trend, this is how I define a trend. A trend is, yes, actually it's a movement of the market, but in a trend, what makes a trend move? It's the flow. So what I also do, I give the flow a trend line on a bigger time frame, or even the smaller time frames. I also do that. So in a flow, this is what I do. After this trend line I just drew, just watch the magic. Wait for this trend line to break here. Are you watching? This zone, and it's broke for the red candle. Then I'll wait for a confirmation. This is a daily time frame. A confirmation of red candles, 2 hours red candle, like, and I'll let me box this whole place so that we won't get lost, because this was actually one. It has been days. No, let's just leave it this way. I don't think I will find this candle. This is a daily time frame, and each candle is formed in a day. So let me just explain it here. So it broke here, right? So after breaking here, it moves. How will I say it? After breaking there, it gives you, because this is strong sell signal, it gave you a red candle going down. So after breaking, it gave a red candle. You put in those cells, you sell, and what the magic? It has been going down, and you're trailing your stop loss, you're trailing your stops, in case it's going against you. Even when you're not in the market, close immediately in profit. So there's a daily time frame. Imagine you taking cells around this place. It was going down perfectly, because your aim, your take profit is here, because it's a cage. When it hits the supporting trend line, the resistance trend line, it will definitely come to supporting trend line. So your target is the supporting trend line, all the way from resisting trend line to supporting trend line, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for many days, for like almost 20 or 10 days. So that's a lot. That's how I'm making it here. So if any questions, just ask right away. And well, I wanted taking a live something here, but there are no clear signals, no opportunities. Actually, there's nothing. So maybe next time, guys. So tonight we'll be having our first Zoom class. Hope you all downloaded Zoom live class, when I'll be teaching, and you can ask questions live. You can type, you can ask questions live. So you all go download Zoom, the Zoom app, and sign up. And then we're having the class around 11 p.m. I guess. Yes, 11 p.m. It's good. So you already save that as okay. This is all right. After signing out.